Okay, we are at New York session, 2nd July, Wednesday. Looking at the chart, daily has flipped bullish. 4 hours previous, 4 hours still bearish. There's this 4 hours down here. 1 hour is. Let me get the mic closer to me so my voice is clearer. 1 hour. Okay, what I was saying, 1 hour flip. We got news, ADP, unemployment claims, everything just passed at 8:30. You got this 1 hour closing, pushing back bullish. 30 minutes has a level here. But anyways, I think this level is messy to trade. We got 15 close by, current 15 bullish. Let's see above here. There's this level here, which is 15, and after that it's clean. Yep, after that it's clean. Exactly where the wick. If we're gonna plan a trade to take buys, we don't have range right now to take any buys. And since we are mixed buyers for sales, we are just looking for setup 5, continuation down. DEX, looking at DEX, we got daily flip bearish, previous 4 hours bearish. We got 4 hour support there, mark. One, yeah, target tap. In this one, it's 1 hour tap the target, and then 30 we got this level, 15 we got this level. So for DEX, let's just mark this level here. And after that we can see this level, which is the previous 15. Can we delete this 5? How about this 15? This 15 is big. This 15 is now previous 15. 1 hour. One hour gonna close in 2 minutes, so I'll mark right there, and there's another one here. Just mark that also. Oops. Okay, other than that, we are not gonna go counter bias. We're gonna stick to bias. Let's see this 5 minutes. Do a setup 5 structure, break below, and then we can look for shots. Next we got US30. Let's do our markup on US30. Previous day bullish. There's a mess down here, tap here, tap here. Let's mark this level here. Daily resistance. I mean, I can delete all this. Kind of messy now. Let me delete first. Daily resistance here. Let's see from here to here, 69 pips. Let's just mark that too. For H, we are looking at price step there. For H, there's a level here. 56 pips. For our resistance, I'm gonna leave this for now. Nah, wait, let me just. Okay, for each bearish, bullish. So now we are looking for 1 hour support. We are right at it now. Did it close below? Yeah, it closed below 1 hour support. Gonna mark this two on top. 1 hour support here. 30 minute. Same as 15, and everything is the same. Okay. Looking at US30, we can either sell below here, or let's see what's price gonna do on the open, which is another 29 minutes. Probably this was the counter bias setup. 35 pips stop loss. Yeah, break even at previous 15 and target there. 1:1. We got 5 closing bullish. Yeah, that was a counter bias setup. Gold, we are full bullish bias. Problem is this 30, is it still valid? No, this 30 is here now. And then this 1 hour. We can delete this. It's a previous 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hours now here. And 1 hour is here. Yeah. One hour looks clean to the top. Weak fill potential. Let's see. Can give setup 5 on 5 minute, and setup setup 2 on 15 minutes. That could give us the trade.
Hello, hello. Everyone sleeping or what? Wake the fuck up. Time to get to work, boys. Sleeping. Right, news came out. Absolutely crazy news. I mean, didn't think it can get that much worse, but it seemed to have got worse. Minus, I don't know what's going on with this, but yeah, so they, unemployment change not looking the best. I don't know how they're predicting uh, only such a small drop, but we'll see. That's sending gold up here, sent gold up on a little bit of a push. Now we're retracing some of this news move. We stopped at around this key level here. 5 did close above key level. We have all this BS here towards the left. DAX here, on the other hand, also retraced. We moved down. DAX was actually looking good. I was looking for this 4-hour close to close below, and then NY close to NYSD, we get easy sells, but we actually retraced. 4-hour ended up closing above instead of closing below. I was looking very juicy for sell. Nice little 5-minute close below here after the 4-hour open. For business, set it back down into here. So we are retracing very quickly here in towards the upside. 30-minute close back in the range kind of was the catalyst for that to start. 30-minute, I mean, stops were big. I wouldn't really take that. I'm slowly easing into DAX during NY. I know a lot of the boys traded, but I'm still going to talk about options here. I'm just seeing it a bit for myself. Maybe I go on half risk like I did before on US 30 and kind of ease into that. So looking at daily on US 30 here, previous daily reaching these resistances. First resistance today reached second resistance. 4-hour has closed bearish now. So we could see a little bit of a retrace coming into NYSE open here. Love to see the open and what happens after the open. Put this as a 15-minute here. Obviously, sells would make more sense below here. But if we do create supports from down here, we could end up buying, especially if we get back inside this range here. I think we can just make it as a whole to this 5 here, to this 5-minute here. Took anything in London? No. The question is, did you see anything in London when you look over the question? Look over the session. That's the main question. I'm not considering sales before NYT at all on US 30 or DAX. Yeah, better. Set up 5 on DAX above 4-hour. Is that your plan or is that what you're looking for? 4-hour, you see which 4-hour. We're above. What I missed? No, I don't think you missed that, to be honest. I don't think you missed that. I mean, it could be an option there, yeah, but I don't really think you missed that too much. Previous daily bearish, previous 4-hour bearish, you're going against bias anyways. 1-hour time frame looked like it was about to close below. 4-hour ended up closing above, so it just made it a little bit difficult. We're still bearish bias though, and yeah. Bro, it's like fun, man. They got their jet skis out today. Holy shit. Hello, GJ, are you okay?
Yeah. Everybody will take the S5 in London on the X 5-minute. You had the 15. Literally on the left, where I can go on it. I never did this way. Yeah, this one.
No, I moved.
Yeah, this one.
This is that resistance, no? This is this resistance here plus the 15-minute resistance right there. See that little 15-minute resistance? Those resistances were becoming so important. You see, guys, the difference between reviewing a session and not? Let me show you how strong this small resistance is. We were looking for a close above here, but this was the London Open candle, right?
Yeah.
This was the London Open candle. Let me show you how important. Check this small one here, what it caused. This whole reversal. Check this small one here, what did it cause? This whole reversal. All these tiny 5-minute resistances were being so important, causing massive reversals. So we didn't want to buy in that, especially that it was the 15, you know? I didn't want to buy that. The
And then
problem
you
is
had like 6 pips to go break even, wasn't that enough?
you could, but the 15 is right there as well, you know? 15 is lower. Mark the 15.
What?
Yeah, six pips.
If it tapped it, then you go break even, no? You're up
Yeah.
break even.
Yeah,
If you're gonna follow
Yeah,
the
okay.
plan, right?
yeah, you're right.
Consider that as break even.
Yeah, that's just because I asked, because when you see it now, it's different than when you see it like.
Yeah. No, that's right. I mean, if you remove that 15 and that 5, then and I didn't take that, then I'll question, okay, why? Second thing
Yeah.
is all London we were moving down. Like no 15 chain structure, just lower high after lower low. See? So
Yeah.
even though this broke
Why
back inside the
sayang?
range barely, it's still not enough to say that structure has changed. This could have just been a small change of structure, come back up here, and
Why
then
sayang?
still go on. It can't happen. You see? So even then, it's not, you need like something very solid. Figure it's like
Yeah.
Anyways, I don't know what happened on GJ here. Suddenly woken up. He's 1 hour gave us set up. What time was that? 3 o'clock your time. GJ just whacked these days, man. Randomly moved, and now that it's done. Now straight into here. That would have been a banger. What would have been a banger? The news caused the downside. Yeah, we saw some money movement to the end. What would have been? It would have been a banger, man. If you were spotting it on 1 hour, I doubt you take it on 15. How many people would sell this? Be honest. So it's not a banger, right? Because GJ has been ranging all day. You have no idea, right? That's the move that's going to come. But now you say it's a banger. Immediately your mind, like 60 pips on GJ is crazy, right? Like, fuck that. I'm not taking that. But today it worked. But how many times otherwise it failed, right? You can't see that as a banger. He was way better. Let's have a look at you. Don't see anything on 15 yet. 30 was hard. I think even on you is pretty deep close. How about this 15, after this 15 close below? Wow, it's done a massive move, right? You're just like selling, jumping on the train where it's probably most likely to reverse, you know? Very hard, very hard. So I've been doing a lot of thinking. I actually was grinding full 4-hour grind. I haven't stopped since we closed stream. Went completely nuts today. Made content, made new plans for the group. Made a fuck, man. I went absolutely nuts. Still full grind. I had two amazing freaking ideas. First idea is every week we're going to review someone's journal of 1 week. Because I feel like I don't see enough of what other people are doing. I only see it here or there. Even though it's the same trade, I want to see people journal, and it's going to force people to journal and get me to see. Because a lot of the time, you will take a trade. Like most people send me a lot. I mostly get a
Start trading.